1985, the legislature designated a small pot of money for school districts to facilitate the inclusion of adults with cognitive disabilities in community education opportunities. Community Bridge was born, and Ron Sushak was one of the first volunteers. Now, 37 years later, Community Bridge is a consortium of 5 school districts, and Ron is still the main volunteer. Over the years, Ron has graciously shared his enjoyment and knowledge of the outdoors through camping, hiking, canoeing, fishing, and outdoor cooking. He assists with many craft classes and many cooking classes, but perhaps he is best known as Coach Ron. In 1986, Ron began coaching a Community Bridge softball team and a t-ball team. In 1999, the Community Bridge co-ed softball team began its 14-year run as an official team in the Maplewood Recreation League.
We lost every game the first season. We started off the second season was about the same way. Towards the end of the season, the Ramsey County Sheriff's Department decided that they wanted to have fun. So the normal catcher was the shortstop. The normal right fielder was the pitcher. And they batted offhand, and we won the game. And just the joy on the team at winning a game was just phenomenal. But the other thing was, other teams started doing the same thing. And by the 5th year, we won 10 games. And the other teams would come and they'd warm up with my players. They'd come and visit with the players. They'd show up and cheer for the players. It was actually a bridging of the communities, and it was something to see.
Ron is more than a volunteer and an educator. For 37 years, he has been a role model of kindness, patience, and friendship.